Hi, my name is Tarak Mukherjee. I am from City Bhilai. My passed out year is 2018. So, what I have heard about Pyspiders from my friends, they have also got placed from Pyspiders. So, I have got a very positive feedback. So that's why I joined Pyspiders, and it was a great experience with the mentors, and they were very supportive with that. And talking about the mentors, especially Keshav sir, he always told me to concentrate about the skills. So I have done like that, and I have got a job.
Okay, so this is Keshav, Python trainer for Pyspiders. Okay, I'm happy to announce that one of our student, my student, Tarak Mukherjee has got placed in a company called as Test Yantra as a designation of Associate Software Engineer with a package of 3 LPA. So because of his hard work, and even though he is experienced and he is having year gap, so he got placed, and because of his hard work and his knowledge.